Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Google Pixel 5a. To do this, we'll need to open a settings. Inside, scroll all the way down to find the system. Here's the gestures. And now we can see all of them. So let's check them out. So here we have quick tap to start actions. And if you enable it, you'll be able to use the fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone to take the screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or pause media, see recent apps, show notifications, or enable the flashlight. You can also open the app, which you can select right here. And there's also quick tap strength, which you can enable, and that will require more force on the tap. Now let's go back. Next one is swipe fingerprint. So swipe fingerprint down or up to reveal or hide notification bar. Make sure to enable it. Next one, quickly open a camera, and right here if you enable it, you'll be able to quickly open the camera by pressing the power button twice. So it works from any screen, so you can use it on lock screen as well as the unlocked phone. Let's try it out. Here we have the camera. Flip camera for selfie, so to switch in and out of a selfie mode in Google Camera, double twist when you're in the app. So not sure how this one would work, but I think you just need to twist your phone and you'll be able to switch in and out from the selfie camera. System navigation, and here you can use gestures or three buttons. If you select three buttons, you will see three buttons at the bottom. If you use gesture navigations, you'll be able to navigate your phone using the finger swipes. Tap to check phone. If you enable it, you'll be able to check time, notifications, and other infos on your screen. So let's try it like that. So yeah, if you tap it, your phone wakes up. There's lift to check phone. If you enable it and pick your phone in a grip, it should wake up. Flip to mute, I guess. To turn on the not disturb mode, place your phone face down on the flat surface. You'll be able to subtle vibrations when do not disturb mode turns on. So basically, if you flip your phone on a flat surface, it should enter the do not disturb mode automatically. If you pick it up again, it should leave that mode. One-handed mode, and here if you enable it, your phone will enter the one-handed mode, which allows the notification bar to be placed in the middle of the screen so that you can use your phone in one hand without any trouble. Press and hold power button. So here you can press and hold power button to reveal the power menu, which is a bunch of the shortcuts, or use the digital assistant, and that's I think the Google Assistant. So let's try it out. But I don't have the Google Assistant set, so it won't work like this. But if you have it, then he should wake up. Now on the bottom we have prevent ringing. For me it's grayed out, but you'll be able to enable it in first change, press and hold power button to reveal the power menu. Okay, so let's go back like this, and here we have it. So right now, if you press power and volume up together, you'll be able to put your phone into vibrate or silenced mode. And that's basically all of the gestures on and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.